going to Israel's first beach day. Yay! You ready, big boy? Yeah. Oh, you ready, ready, ready? Yay! All of our essentials in here. Towels, some of Israel's toys. We have a mini umbrella. We haven't invested in a huge umbrella. And underneath all of this is our waters. Now we're off to go. So we're here at the gas station, trying to find some snacks. Girlfriend.
Not candy tier. I mean, like
why
chips.
Why are you choosing so much?
Daddy don't want that. Put that back.
Yeah, Maui onion. You want your own?
Yeah. What else you want?
Look, it says it's not ready. It's red.
Yeah.
That's why I cannot eat that. Why?
Because it makes me curry eyes.
Can you grab those twists? Can you grab these twists for me, baby?
Huh?
Grab those twists.
This one?
Yes. Thank you. Does Daddy have the other bag? Kind of like this too, yeah.
No need food right now. I mean, we don't know how long we're gonna be here. That's why.
Food.
I want drinks like that or not?
How about drinks like this?
What?
I just kidding.
No way. Here, do you want a banana? Hurry, are you ready for the beach?
Hey!
Are we gonna listen to Daddy and Mommy?
Yeah, let me take a picture.
Oh, look at that.
What? Oh my God.
The windy trees.
Tornado right there.
Wait, there?
Yeah.
I see it.
The dust tornado. It's actually very windy. Unless we go back to our place around there. It didn't seem windy over there. The beach that we usually go to is not looking good. The weather is super windy. So Israel, it's okay. So we're checking some other beaches right now. So this is our second beach that we checked. Pat is checking right now. All the beaches are super windy. You can kind of see how it's a little, you can see how it's kind of a little dirty just because we had a storm. So hopefully this one's a good one. Alright, so we're at the harbor right now, checking over here, seeing how good it is, if it's packed or not. Yay, we found a spot. Okay, this place has plenty trees, plenty space. Why are you sad? We're at the beach. Yay! Yay! It's real, we finally made it. And we put up our little play thing so we could play inside. Got our whole setup right here. Gonna put Israel down to sleep. Gonna put his pareo down. And it's such a beautiful day. Beautiful. Got Israel hiding underneath the pareo right now because I don't like him get too much sun. But it's so beautiful over here. Yay! Do you like the water? Yay! Oh. Sister, hi!
Not like a hammer like one had first year.
No, not at all.
Here, bury his feet. His feet. No, not too far. You gotta come closer and do it.
Keep moving.
Stop. I will need some.
Yes, He's just like not even reacting.
He loves you.
Yeah, he's looking at it. His toes are like keep moving. They're so cute. Israel, say hi to the chicken. The mama and the baby. Is that like us? Yeah. Kind of like us. They're about to jump. Tiari's scared to jump. Go, Tiari! You could do it! You just gotta jump into Daddy's arms. Yay! Ari, what are you? Are you gonna become a mermaid? Ooh.
Beautiful.
What you snacking on? Hi, girlfriend. First beach day. We're cleaning up. You got a girlfriend? Well, we got this whole thing to ourselves, and now we're leaving.
Look here, come on.
Yeah. Oh, what are you drawing in the sand? Tiari drew her name. What you drawing now, girlfriend? Oh, that's a wonderful heart. Good job. Okay, let's go. Say bye-bye, beach.
Bye, bye, bye.
Say bye, Israel. Bye-bye, beach.